that's what this is. I took and I combined it. This is where I would test things out before I create it. Okay. One of the things, it has a password generator, a timestamp. When you open it, it automatically does the timestamp. And what this does is it launches websites or does my folder functions. And then down here is the text item that I deal with, some of the things like that. So I put a reboot or like a restart in the sheet just to see what we could do with that. And I couldn't get it to work at this point in time. And what happened is that I had to go in and fix on it.